Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa United 0. My brother, how's it?
Anak sharp wena.
Sharp, thanks, man. Gwale mango tswale kae?
Welthwan Masej la o tswa le Sekgosese Limpopo.
Yeah. O support the team if
Ke supporta Kaizer Chiefs.
Kosi for life. How do you feel about game of Fanda?
Game ya today ke feel sharp ka re Pirates le football sharp one. So ne re shebeletse defense ya Chiefs. Bona ba dlala sharp even though ba win 1-0.
Man.
Orlando Pirates.
Ora re engwe e bona.
Yeng
Ora o intshitse.
ye like intsi ka re nkan la sharp.
No, mara ke 2-0.
Ya ke tunile but then na ke bona ba win 1-0.
Why or ba win 1-0?
Ila ya ubida ka e bona sharp bona.
Oh, because of why bona so tlamele e be 1-0.
Yeah, tlamile
Kosi wa one disappoint.
aw sharp o go ke tunile.
Ke 2-0.
Ke tunile. You right. Are you so yeah ke tunile.
So how shebile Pirates itlo compete vele for the winner league in this season.
Pirates ina le advantage ya ka una league. Ijella botsana today then ke team le compete for league unlike teams tse dingwe bona. Tse dingwe di depends tsa ona gore 1-0 ono jwa 2-0 but then
Bola Chiefs.
ke bola ka Chiefs ke team ya ka Chiefs one so Chiefs jwa 2-0 jwa 1-0 belo le belo but then Pirates wa bona yona again ya win la tla Sundowns and Pirates o lebella botsene ina le 2 games in hand if ya ka phosa ne ka wina I win 3 wa bona ke number 1 ke suppose so
one so ilo dlala Saturday happy go Durban or e ka ba number 1
you ba number 1 sarur yo win go Durban yeah
e number 1 wena mara ngaro o le bagane nyana ka mohare ka mo
aw naga le Chiefs
ulukhosi
ke le khosi
sure Kosi for life
yeah
because I'll pay more
number 1